Digital currencies have bit by bit saturated the standard awareness and got some forward momentum. Nonetheless, a large number of them neglect to endure for an extremely long period and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try, for no particular reason. What is Axie limitlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie endlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are boundless approaches to procuring Axie. Yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie endlessness. Axie vastness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing digital currency. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired huge prevalence around the world. Thus, this might support the general development of the Axie biological system in ETH, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and constructs a feeling of areas of strength for a cutting the guide to a manageable stage. Clients can possess the local Axie limitlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across a steadily extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie endlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and the limits of only the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie endlessness is set to make lives more engaged and quick. In an exceptional manner, the Axie endlessness convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of agents. Axie totally centers around offering clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and immaculate, consequently legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. With a market cap of $641,386,975 and an exchanging volume of $178,420,661, Axie boundlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a tremendous revision. The Axie boundlessness cost weights around $6.66, with a record-breaking high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie endlessness has an ongoing circling supply of 95,843,931.87 X, and the organizers behind Axie limitlessness are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie boundlessness has a ton of vows to observe for its fans according to their specialized examination. As indicated by specialized examination, Axie tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. Subsequent to raising a ruckus around town, the token revised hugely and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. In any case, the future cost of Axie boundlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie the best coin to purchase in 2022? Axie endlessness universe offers many advantages. Yet the year 2022 has not been awesome for the digital money market. The market is incredibly unstable, and the gamble to rewards proportion is likewise negative. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their property. However, for new financial backers, it is an unsafe opportunity to enter the market. Notwithstanding, since the cost is supposed to rise, dealers who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie endlessness shards. Unpredictability is the greatest survivor of the crypto market. It pursues venture choices and forecasts the most difficult. In any case, our fair-minded crypto figure will make the cycle simpler for you. Will the Axie endlessness cost exchange higher? Peruse our Axie endlessness value expectation to know the eventual fate of the Axie token. As per Wallet Financial Backers Axie cost forecast, it is a terrible long-haul venture as the cost in the following year might drop to 34 cents, while, as indicated by our Axie vastness estimate, the Axie cost could start an upswing and cross $19 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise speculation. As indicated by Gov Capital, Axie endlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie vastness might skyrocket to $556.90. Making it a wise speculation by 2027, while the value expectations investigation recommends that the cost of Axie vastness might reach $239.81 by 2030. Axie endlessness value forecast 2022. In view of our Axie cost forecast 2022, the normal cost is supposed to be around $8.83, with an expected low of $7.20 and a likely high of $10.45. The Axie limitlessness shards cost vacillations in the market are supposed to be exceptionally unpredictable. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2023. Our Axie boundlessness cost forecast recommends that the symbolics cost could record a fair recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie endlessness cost is gauged to have a most extreme worth of $15.70, while the typical cost might be around $12.43. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $9.15. Axie endlessness value expectation 2024. According to our Axie boundlessness cost expectation, the Axie coin will proceed the upswing as long as possible, and its greatest worth might reach $18.25. While the base cost might be $12.50. Simultaneously, the Axie token could have a typical cost of $15.38. It is normal that the Axie financial backers might procure fair benefits in the year. Axie vastness value forecast 2025. Axie vastness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $19.34, while the base and most extreme Axie boundlessness cost may be $16.30 and $22.37 individually, in view of our Axie vastness estimate. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2026. According to the Axie cost conjecture, Axie's coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $25.15, with a base cost of $20.75. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $22.95. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie limitlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be gigantic. Axie endlessness value expectation 2027. In view of the specialized examination and Axie limitlessness expectation, the digital currency might exchange at a typical cost of $26.50, while the base and most extreme costs of Axie are expected to be $22.45 and $30.55. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2028. As per our Axie coin cost forecast, the most extreme worth is expected to be $33.10, while the potential low might be around $24.22. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $28.66 all year long. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the possible high of the coin might have reached $35.15, according to our Axie endlessness crypto cost forecast. Taking a gander at the past exhibition of the Axie vastness, the base and normal costs might be around $27.50 and $31.33 individually. Axie endlessness value forecast 2030. In view of Axie crypto cost forecast, the base, greatest, and normal costs are anticipated to be $32.75, $40.33, and $36.54. Separately, in 2030, the general cost change for Axies may be remarkable. Is it productive to put resources into Axie endlessness? In view of the Axie cost expectation, it very well may be presumed that it is productive to put resources into Axie boundlessness as long as possible. By 2030, the normal cost of Axie endlessness is